Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the next few months are going to be very huge. It's very clear that the market is about to push to a new high as Bitcoin breaks above 69,000 and the total global crypto market has officially crossed 2.4 trillion after a very long period of time. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's creeping very close to 14 cents with the trading volume actually taking a little bit of a pullback, sitting close to 680 million. But there are some new whales being created which just purchased about $45 million worth of Dogecoin. You can also see that the Bitcoin conference is happening soon, and this is one of those good things that we should remember from 2021. Now Donald Trump has said some bad things about crypto, but in the next 24 hours he's going to be attending the Bitcoin 2024, and Kevin predicts a promising future for Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to our algorithm, push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, the whole crypto market. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, recently I've been trying to cover more things relating to Dogecoin and the whole crypto market so we can understand the direction the whole market is taking and what we should be expecting in the next coming 1 to 2 months. I mean, the reason I'm mentioning 1 to 2 months is because the market is gearing up for some big numbers. I mean, you can see that Solana is crossing BNB. Solana in slot 4, third largest coin, and it's about to hit that $200 mark. You guys know this is some big things yet to happen, but you can still see that Dogecoin is leading the chart by quite a margin, as 5% up in the last 24 hours. Keep in mind, Dogecoin is back in the uptrend that everyone wanted. Now you can see from the bottom, which is at the end of July, we are back in the uptrend. Very clear. This is when it was tested, then it was tested again around this zone. We broke below with the flash crash, but today when the market decided to split back, it actually pushed us back into an uptrend. And you can also see that the RSI line is actually nearing overbought zone. This is very promising because right now there is a lot of hype around what is happening because it's the weekend, and Saturday in America it's going to be a big day because we know that Donald Trump is going to be attending Bitcoin. As one time he said, in not very long ago, just to give you perspective, but on Twitter in 2019 he said we have only one real currency in US, and stronger than ever, it is called the US dollar. He also mentioned how high volatile and based on thin air crypto is, and you cannot believe in it. So what he's about to say might actually change a lot of people's perspective, and a lot of money or inflow of cash might actually begin. Now keep in mind, this could also have a side impact, which could mean if he decides to say something just a little bit questionable, that could also have a negative impact on crypto. But the next 24 hours are definitely going to be very volatile. Talking about Dogecoin especially, you can see that yesterday this wallet was created that purchased $44 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 13.1 cents. And just to give you perspective, they're already in $1.2 million of profit just in about 24 to 48 hours, which is insane. And this is the conference that happened a little bit ago, and this person, while the Bitcoin conference was happening, decided to jump on stage with the Dogecoin. Now keep in mind, if the same thing happens where, let's just say, the Trump is about to say something and something similar happens, could also have a very positive impact on the Dogecoin price. Another thing, Kevin predicts a promising future for Dogecoin. Dogecoin 2 to 3 week green weeks away from seeing its first weekly golden cross in 4 years. The first time this occurred went parabolic for 6 straight months, going up 18,000%. Do I think something similar can follow? Maybe not 18,000%, but I definitely would not be surprised if we see maybe 500%. That would also be a huge number for a lot of people, and I know a lot of you guys will be very happy to see that. Dogecoin is set for a potential 44% rally as the bullish momentum builds. Now you guys need to understand, this bullish momentum is clearly building up very quickly. The inflow of cash into the Dogecoin market is significantly higher than the outflow. Now, the outflow might increase when the market becomes a little volatile, but if Dogecoin is able to just hold its price when Bitcoin decides to start going positive again, let's just say Doge will be following very shortly. 10% increase in the open interest, pushing it close to 600 million, and liquidations just in the last 24 hours have affected the shorts really strong. $1.6 million lost by the short traders. Grayscale loses billions as investors flee new Ethereum ETF. Now you need to understand, this is one of the reasons why the market actually had a really strong or a flash crash just about 48 hours ago. The reason for this is it's very clear. When the Ethereum ETF was released, a lot of investors decided to take their money out, and the outflow for the Ethereum ETF was massive, and that's one of the reasons why Grayscale ended up losing so much money. Breaking, Dogecoin is up 6%, signaling a rebound for meme coins as Bitcoin and Ethereum show strength in the weekend. Now keep in mind, Doge has been leader of the meme coins forever, as long as you can remember, but you can see once Doge is able to show a positive trend, everything else decides to follow, and that's exactly what's going to be happening in this bull market as well. Personally, it sounds really funny when people say, oh, do you think someone is going to beat, or some meme coin is going to beat Dogecoin? And the chances are actually quite low. It's the same idea. Do you think an altcoin is going to beat Bitcoin? It's just not possible, because that's pretty much the thing that started it all. And this was a really wholesome video. You can see a Tesla Cybertruck in the background with a lot of Dogecoin, and it's just a good vibe for the boys. Now, Bitcoin expands gains as Donald Trump prepares to address the Bitcoin traders at the conference. Now keep in mind, this conference could also target the Bitcoin to its all-time high, maybe break above 73k or 74k, and I would not be surprised when it is actually happening. That's why I keep mentioning the next 24 hours for the whole crypto market are going to be very, very critical. Do you think Dogecoin can reclaim 25 cents? And the answer is yes. I would not be surprised if that actually happens. Elon Musk is obsessed with the letter X. Is XRP going to be part of that? And that's one of the reasons why the XRP price has been running up quite significantly as well. Bullish Dogecoin forecast. Analysts predict a 275% surge in the next 6 to 12 months. That's an insane surge, 3x from where we're sitting. That's close to a 36 cents break even when the price decides to do some sort of surge like this. Bullish signals for Dogecoin as the accumulation and an adoption is rising, and XRP poised to take over as Russia plans to swift replacement for BRICS. Now you need to understand, if Russia decides to rely on crypto, if they decide to rely on any of the crypto, the inflow of cash from a government, you guys know, is going to be helping the whole crypto market in a significant amount. But other than that, honestly, good days ahead. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.